Oh. Oh my gosh. Donna comes around. Oh my gosh.
And we run her over.
Oh no, don't, no, that's the wall.
Let me park you.
Oh, you're an excellent parker.
I know.
What the hell are you doing?
Looking
Kim and I scratched it last night. Go through the door. No, don't. No, don't. No, God.
There's a video camera right above us.
That's stupid. You idiot. Are you okay? I don't know. Are we done or?
No, you can push me again.
Okay.
Honestly.
Old lady. We should go in the elevator and come back down. You want to?
Are we allowed to?
I don't know.
Here, hold that.
Oh yeah. Oh God. She said you're gonna tip me.
Like we did in the car that day.
Yeah. It's like, his name is Cornholio. The wall. I hit it.
Just go by the door. Let me park you.
No, that was short. I pushed you for a while. I pushed you for 4 minutes.
Okay, I'm going to push you. Put your foot up.
There's the video camera.
Oh, hello. Go in the elevator and come back down.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're allowed to.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Oh my God! Second floor, then go back down.
Yeah, are you gonna be able to get me out?
And then as soon as I can, we'll just push first floor. Back it up. Back it up.
Alright.
Oh my God. This is so fun.
Alright, just push me out. Hey, wait till the door's open. Alright, park. Ow.
I'm barked.
Okay. I'm busy.